A subscriber wants to see how I look like right now. Excuse me, I'm getting ready for work. I'm about to just go and take shower and go to work. But I just want to do this video quickly because the comments just came in and I feel like I can show you guys what I look like right now. My bedroom is not bedrooming, but you know what? I just wake up from a quick nap because I'm about to go to bed. I'm about to go to work, sorry. So the only part of my body I don't like when I gain weight is my face. Let me take my glasses off. My face is looking like puff puff. Do you guys see my cheek? Normally I have a high cheekbone, and then when I gain weight, my face get puffy, and it's not my favorite part of my body when I gain weight, my face. But you know what? It is what it is. It is me. I love it. I don't mind. So yeah, and as it's for my body, let me show you all. Excuse the bedroom. I haven't been to the gym now for a while because my work schedule has changed. So now I don't really have a lot of time to go to the gym. I only go to the gym twice a week, Friday morning and Saturday. But it has been a while since I go to the gym. So this Friday, today, I didn't go to the gym because actually tomorrow I have a program to go. Because it has been a while since I went to the gym, I know if I go today, I'm definitely going to have a full-blown body pain and I wouldn't have the strength to go to where I have to go to tomorrow. So instead, I'm like, you know what, I'm just not going this week. And then from next week, I'll start going to the gym again on those 2 days that I've planned. Because those 2 days are the perfect days that fit my schedule for right now. But this is what your girl is looking like. Like, I eat a lot. When it comes to food. Yeah, I eat for my entire community. I eat a lot. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm almost at 68 kilo. I think I'm 68 kilo right now by now. But this is what I look like. My stomach is stomaching, yes, and everything is just giving. It's just giving, it's just giving. The hips is hipsing. I'm trying at home to do a little bit of stomach exercise, but you know what? At this point of my life, I'm telling anybody I can't come and kill myself. I'm in a very cool place, I'm a very cool, I just want soft life. I just want to hard weight. But I don't want to come and be killing myself like, oh, my stomach. My stomach is okay. It's not as big. I'm a mother of 3, so my stomach is okay. It's not as big as but it's okay. But just that it can be better. I want my stomach. Now it's looking like this. I want to look like this. Ay, Jesus. But I want it to look like this. Like this. This is how my stomach used to look like. But that was because I was skinny. Now I've got a little bit of weight. Of course, it's coming out, but I'm okay. I don't mind. But yeah, I feel like I look really good with a little bit of weight on. Not too much, just a little bit. The goal is to get 70 kilo to 75 kilo. That is my goal weight. If I'm there, I can slow down on the eating, but not too much because I know if I slow down, I will lose weight. Like, my body burns fat very quickly than gaining fats. My body burns fats very quickly. So for me, weight gain is a struggle. So I'm really, really excited. I'm really, really happy. And I'm still taking my smoothies. I do eat a lot and I still take my smoothies. But this is what I look like. For those who want to see what I look like, this is me. This is me. This is me. So now, let me go and take a shower and go to work before I get late.